What's up? It's your boy Garrick Dixon, aka Barber Luther King. I just want to give you a quick lesson on how to use a curl sponge. For the best results with the curl sponge, it's best to use a conditioner before you use your curl sponge. Only thing I do is get your conditioner, just put a little bit in, like tip your finger, swirl it around, and go ahead and condition your hair. This is going to make it a little bit easier for the sponge to go through your hair. It'll make your hair softer and more manageable. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The leave-in conditioner that I'm using in this video is my own, Dixon 1737. It's in my store section. You'll be able to see it. Just click and you can buy it. It's good. Makes your hair soft, manageable, shiny, smell good, and the ladies love it. How? You have different sizes of curl sponge. You got the big curl sponge, and notice the holes in the curl sponge. These holes are to grab onto your hair. When you move your sponge around, it curls your hair, gives it more of a natural look. Then you have the double-sided curl sponge. If you look at this side, it's a little more open, so it'll make your curl a little wider. Now on the other side where the hole is closed, it'll make the curls a little smaller. Simple mathematics. When you use a curl sponge, the mistake that I see a lot of people do is they press real hard. Oh, it's going to curl it more, it's going to curl it more. They're pressing real hard on the scalp. You don't have to do that. The best thing to do is to just lightly press, because you want the holes to grab the top of your hair. So you don't have to press down real hard. Just lightly go around. When you do the sides, same thing. You don't have to press real hard. Simple. Go around. Same thing. Sides. Let me give you a front view of how I'm doing the side. Simple. Go around. I'm not pressing too hard because I want the hair to latch on in the holes. Now, one of the things, I know I don't have a fresh haircut now, I'm a barber, but it's best when you get a fresh haircut and you're using your sponge to sponge in the upward direction. Upward, because, and just like this, and just let it go up, because it's going to make your fade look more blended. Now, here's a bonus. What you can do to make your hair hold better is you use your leave-in conditioner that softened your hair. You use the curl sponge that created the curls. Now you can grab some spritz, and this is what I like to do just to top it off. First, I cover my eyes, and I like to add the spritz. What the spritz does is it adds a little shine, and then it holds it. So you give it a couple minutes to like really hold it, and your hair is good to go. Here's the secret. If you do the curl sponge right, the girl may mess it up. I'll let your mind, you imagine, I'm not saying that this is YouTube. I don't want to get reprimanded. But that's a simple lesson on how you use a curl sponge. You have any questions, leave a comment. Make sure you follow me. You might want me to do another type of video. I'm a barber with 33 years experience, so I've been doing this a long time. I'm here for you, Barber Luther King.